How to recover deleted TikTok videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to recover deleted TikTok videos. Do watch the video till the end. First of all, launch TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to your particular account. Tap Profile to get access to your profile feed. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now select Settings and Privacy. On this page, scroll down and select the option of Report a Problem, which is under Support and About. You need to wait for a while. On the topic, you need to select Creation, so tap on the arrow icon next to Creation. Scroll down, select Order. Now select Order. Tap on the No button, or you can tap on Need More Help at the bottom of the screen. Now you have got landed on this TikTok help desk where you can easily question about your problem. So once you have typed in the message, tap on the arrow icon next to it and the answer has been pop up. So are these questions what you need help with? So you can choose any one related to your problem. So my problem was I can't find the save video. So let me tap on the link below. And if this was not helpful or if the steps were not helpful, tap on submit a ticket at bottom of the screen and you can describe your issue here. So once you have written your feedback, tap on the submit button and after 24 or 48 hours, you will easily find the solution for that. So that is how we can easily recover deleted TikTok videos. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.